Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Trade Sharp, and Bitcoin's very interesting. We're gonna wrap this up in 2 minutes, make it a very quick video, update you all on Bitcoin, and give you what I think. So immediately on the 1 hour, we're getting rejected at this area here, so we can move this up. We can see we broke out of our range here, and we did establish that range, but we did have one more swipe to the downside, which I was mentioning yesterday that I wouldn't mind seeing one more swipe to the downside. But the most important thing is if we close the daily on a higher high. And guess what? Bitcoin pulled through and we close on a higher low, sorry. So closing on a higher low means that Bitcoin is bullish, but technically we are not just bullish yet, because what we need to see is that we need to see that two daily candles close like this, and then I can confirm this as a new low. So we're just not out of the blue yet. It could be a swing failure pattern. We could see it come and roll over. It is still a possibility, but at least we're not closing below this pivot, and especially on the weekly, because that is something we've never seen in Bitcoin's history. So since we haven't closed the weekly below this pivot here at 55.9, then this looks extremely good for Bitcoin, and I do think it has the possibility to put a base in here. The 4 hour has confirmed the base, but again, guys, what we could see is this rollover, right? And I do think we do have a pullback here, maybe to 55.3, or maybe even we can swipe down even on a wick down here to 54.8. I won't see any issues with that. I do think we get a small bounce there. We're not out of the blue just yet, but I think we could be pretty close. And going with the trend, I expect this to pick up from here, right? Now to the upside, we have to break above 60,000. But what's very interesting is on CMEs, we've made a massive gap here, as you can see. And this gap, I do expect Bitcoin to swipe down again one more time to the downside. Just to as I said yesterday, right? Remember I said I don't expect this to be a V-shaped recovery. One more swipe down, retest this, and if we can put a nice structure on the 4 hour, putting in a higher low on the 4 hour, because that would make me more confident, and I would see that as maybe a possible, like this, and then we go like that, and then you have something that's more confident and something that looks a lot better, and that's what I'm looking for. And then we can continue. Once we fill this gap here, I do think that we do have a small pullback just of profit taking, and after that I think we can continue up and onwards, but we'll see how it goes. Remember, guys, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.